ready to transform ordinary pictures into extraordinary works of art with stunning visual effects. Let's dive into making a superimposition in Adobe Photoshop. Starting with our first scene, a person and a space background. We'll bring the person into the same canvas as the space background. This will be the base of our superimposition. Now with the person in the same canvas as the space background, we are going to make the person's image blend with the background using layer blending modes. Go to the Layers panel on the side of the screen. Click on the layer with the person and locate the blending mode dropdown. Usually set to normal, there are many blending options to choose from. Experiment with each of these until you feel the image looks best. For this instance, we are going to be merging this image with the space background using the screen blend mode. Notice how the bright areas of the person's image now blend seamlessly with the space background by removing the blacks. Now just the person's image with levels to make the person more opaque by altering with sliders. Now it's time to fine-tune our composition. Play with the adjustments. This is where the magic happens. Use adjustments like brightness and contrast to really bring out your image and give it depth. And there you have it, a superimposition in Adobe Photoshop to create visually striking photo compositions. Don't be afraid to experiment with different images and blend modes to unlock your creativity.